Hello everyone and welcome back. My snacking situation was not appetizing lately, and since everyone in the house needs small eats every now and then, I decided to dedicate this weekend entirely in making easy, healthy and mouth-watering snacks that we as a family can enjoy for the rest of the week. For a variety of healthy snacking options, I was happy to collaborate with Tots and Moms Foods. In our household, it is the most trusted organic food brand as they provide a wholesome snacking experience with the goodness of superfoods. From millet to whole grains, nuts to seeds to jaggery, their products are a complete health package. Their cookies and Nuts Pro health drink are a staple in our house, and while cookies will wait till tea time, I found a deliciously different way to use the health drink mix to make protein laddus. Making laddus always takes me back to my childhood. Different laddus in different season was a complete family affair. The habit continued well into adulthood, and now I know why. They are not just super delicious but are visually appetizing as well. In making these protein laddus, I kept the recipe very simple, starting with oats to give them shape and then added peanuts for the goodness of proteins and also to bind them together. Then I added the star of the show, this Nuts Pro health drink. It saved me all the time and effort in making a fine mix of multiple nuts and seeds. At the end, I will add coconut and few sesame seeds for great taste, followed by dates, which again will bind the whole mixture together. I'll put everything in a mixing jar and pulse the mixer till everything starts coming together. Wasn't it a great health combo? I also made a Nutella variant which was super yum as well, and this one was specifically for Ruthvi. Multiple dry fruits, seeds and makhanas from the Nuts Pro health mix make these laddus high in protein and rich in calcium and minerals. This surely helps in improving the immunity and the overall brain development. So here it is, a guilt-free, absolutely healthy and easy to make snack option which is ready in a jiffy. It was the testing time and we all pounced on them. And just as I thought, Ruthvi kept asking for more. All I regret that I made them in such a small batch. So lesson learned for the next time. Namkeen is another quintessential snack in the house. We at times even enjoy a handful along with meal as a condiment. But snacking on those store-bought namkeen was filled with a lot of guilt. So I made some namkeen on my own, and cornflakes just came handy. I collected all sort of fillings and it took me 10 minutes to prepare this easy and quick snack. Making homemade namkeen got me thinking that preparing food at home gives so much freedom of customization and sense of relief that whatever you are eating is safe, nutritious and delicious at the same time. I slow roasted every item one by one to take the maximum moisture out so that the namkeen can last longer. I was super happy with the fact that by making snack at home also made me utilize the existing grocery items which was otherwise just lying and getting wasted. So overall, I got a nice kick to find more such creative and healthy way of consuming such items. The sound of these cornflakes namkeen was appetizing in itself. And once everything is well combined, don't forget to give it a taste and adjust the spices as per your liking. Have you guys also made cornflakes namkeen before? Let me know how else can I take it a notch higher, or any other snack that is healthy and mouth-watering at the same time. Your suggestions always help in improving this existing community in one way or the other. I'll be waiting for your comments. A perfect snack for tea time, office lunchbox, or time when you just want to indulge in some crunchy, spicy snacking. Evening tea time is also Rutvi's milk time. And as I try to find ways to add more nutrition in her diet, instead of giving her plain milk, I prefer adding the Nuts Pro Health Mix to it. As a growing kid, she needs more calcium and improved immunity. It also gives me a lot of satisfaction that she is getting more nutrition without any out of the book effort. And talking of reducing the effort, these Millet and Jaggery cookies from the Tots and Moms are just the right snacking option at our tea time. Rich in iron and protein, these junk-free snacks are always welcoming. Above everything, it is fully organic and preservative-free. Easy to grab, organic yet tasty treat. Isn't it amazing? Next is everybody's all-time summer favorite popsicle. I usually crave for sweets after dinner and lunches, so I thought instead of ending up eating some unwanted sugary treat, let's make some healthier snack which can help me curb my sweet cravings along with giving me nutrition. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm making the most of mangoes till the season lasts. So there were no second thoughts for mango popsicle. I chose the brightest mango of all. However, this quick snack does not need an extra effort to catch the eye. It took just 5 minutes to do the preparation, and assembling it was great fun. Layer them as per your choice. This homemade yogurt popsicle without preservative will surely make the full house happy. As easy as this popsicle was to make, harder it was to wait for, but was indeed worth a wait. Rutvi's happiness after seeing the popsicles explained it all. So I decided that whenever she will have her friend's party, this fruity, pulpy popsicle will surely be there in the menu. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that last week my dad came visiting and he bought me a bag full of walnuts. That triggered me in making a trail mix, and this snack was specially for myself and Karthik's office. This one surely took a bit of an effort, but it was absolutely worth it. Nuts and seeds are an instant energy source, and when consumed in moderation, provides just the right amount of nutrition you look for every day. Picking nuts and seeds from their individual jars and eating them was quite a process. So the idea was fairly simple: to combine everything together in one jar by also making it appetizing, because when things are prepared, it's easier to consume. I dry roasted available nuts and seeds very slightly just to enhance the flavor and bring some aroma to it. But you may also choose to simply mix everything together and keep in an airtight jar. Healthy trail mix is basically a combination of some nuts, seeds, dry fruits, or even fun mixes like popcorn, choco chips, cornflakes, etc. Food choices differ in every household, so choose what suits your palate the most. Talking about snacks and not talking about makhana is gross injustice. This protein and fiber-rich food makes the perfect snack as it keeps us full till we reach the next meal. Since the original taste is so subtle, makhanas give enough ground to add as many flavors as you like. Sweet, salty or spicy, the choices are fairly unlimited. Rather, if you have a tried and tested spice mix for makhanas, do share with me, because I love experimenting with different flavors so that we never get bored of this quick to make and healthy snack. I usually make it in small batches because it literally just takes 5 minutes to make a new flavor. Snack served just in time, and both father-daughter duo loved the pizza seasoning flavor. Some snacks are so underrated. Chia pudding is our favorite and always comes handy when I or Rutvi get those hunger pangs. Rutvi loves to make it, and I also let her have her share of fun in creating this easy peasy snack. When kids make things by themselves, there is a low probability of them denying that dish, so it's a win-win. That's it. Just mix everything together and your chia pudding will be ready in few hours. And then comes the fun part. Go crazy with the toppings because creativity has no limit. I am making 2 here, but you can be as creative as you like and enjoy this summery special snack with total satisfaction. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching these quick, easy and healthy snack recipes. Subscribe to the channel to let me know that you are enjoying these videos. Make sure you comment below and tell me which snack will you make first, or tag me on Instagram if you get inspired and prepare any of these snacks. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.